Flozo allows users to create WhatsApp bot flows to automate customer conversations. Create a new bot flow, add messages and response options, define the conversation path, and save the flow. Once activated, the bot will automatically respond to customer messages based on the configured flow. Navigate to flozo.ai. Click on Bot Flows. Click on Add. When the Add Bot Flow pop-up is displayed, enter the title and start trigger message. Click on Add Bot Flow. The bot flow title has been created successfully. Click on Device Hub. Click on Add New Bot Reply. Click on Simple Bot Reply. When you click Simple Bot Reply, a pop-up will be displayed. Enter the reply name and reply text. Click on Submit. Map the customer message Hi to the bot reply you want to send automatically. When a customer sends Hi, the configured reply message will be sent automatically. Click on Save. Click on Chat WhatsApp Chat. The customer sent a Hi message and the bot replied automatically. The bot flow has been created successfully